Good afternoon. Please introduce yourself.
So my name is Sushant Gupta. I belong to Dehradun, Uttarakhand, and currently I am studying in UPS Dehradun.
So we'll be talking about a very controversial topic today. Why juveniles should be tried and treated as adults. What is your opinion on it?
See, some people believe that juveniles be tried and treated as adults when they do serious crimes like murder, rape, and armed robberies, because to give a certain message to all the people that crime will not be tolerated anymore. Okay. Additionally, giving lenient treatment to the juveniles may lead unfair treatment to the victims and their families. Although some people, on the other hand side, some people also believe that giving harsh treatment like adults to juveniles may lead to ruin their future. So proper counseling and education may lead to them understanding what is right and what is wrong.
So there was a recent drug incident including involving minors. So what is your opinion on it?
So there are some cases like in case of drug dealings, it is done on a behalf of proper planning and guidance of adults. Where did the drugs come from? To a child or to a juvenile? It's whole a proper planning. It's a gang planning to deal this kind of mafias and drugs.
So mostly in third world countries, many gangs involve small children who act as criminals. What do you think should be done to remedy this?
Yeah. In this point of view, they should be considered as in criminals and should be tried and treated as adults to give a harsh and proper treatment. So that, see, in today's world, younger generation is using social media and internet. This all the activities are done on behalf of a proper planning like murder, as you are saying. So it is done when the children are properly mature, right? When they got to know that what is right and what is wrong, they will do on the behalf of it. According to it, according to this question, see in the previous 10 years ago, there was a rape which was done of a girl in a bus, where it was done by 4 5 boys and there was a 1 18-year-old. He was first sent to a juvenile jail, and the court announced then that after this he will be sent to an adult jail. This is a proper treatment which should be given to this kind of juveniles.
So how would the government of a country act in order to solve this issue?
Government of the country act like first, like I said before, first he should be sent for a proper, she should be sent for a proper counseling and education, proper literacy. Then for in a juvenile jail, then a proper treatment like adults should be given to them after a certain age, after 16 or 18. But do not lose them for giving a linear treatment.
So basically, this juveniles are emerging due because of the adult criminals. And what should the security system of a nation do so that it actually diminishes the root cause of the issue?
See, giving proper literacy and education, put a subject of a crime reports, let them know what is the punishment of doing the crimes, what harsh treatments are done when we do. See, there are also books like civics which tell that which are treated to 10th or 12th class tells that crime judicial system in it is written, so they understand what's right and what is wrong. Nowadays social media internet is emerging also.
So what is your basically overall thoughts on the complete topic?
Okay. So my complete thoughts are like this: like juveniles should be tried and treated as an adults as a serious crimes. Okay, which have done, which we know also know that it is being done by a proper planning. But when it is done under a proper guidance of adults, like when they are involved in a bad company of someone, then drug dealings, then they should be given a proper education, literacy of what is right and what is wrong. Then should be sent to an adult jail.
All right, thank you. It was a pleasure interviewing you. Thank you.